You're described for all things very simple and very smart.
Clapping for both of us. Try to answer always with full sentences only.
Okay.
Okay, great. Okay. You told me before, Steve, that you have friends also from many countries.
Abdullah Ragab. He lives in Saudi Arabia and he works as a videographer and video editing.
He is Saudi. He's not Egyptian.
No, he's Egyptian.
Okay, great.
He
Nice.
lived, he lived in Jeddah.
Abdullah, let's imagine now that he is going to come to Egypt next weekend.
He already traveled
Uh,
after 6 months. He took
6 months
took
ago?
yes, he took the his weekend before after three years in Saudi Arabia.
And what do you think of the activities that Abdullah loves to do?
He loves swimming and fishing.
You can say that we finished.
Okay,
What do you think about your performance today?
I think it's good.
Yeah, it's good. And you don't think much as
Yes,
in the
yes.
first times. Before you say the sentence, you don't think too much. You don't take much time, and that's good progress. Let me show
I don't
you.
think in Arabic. I don't think in Arabic all this session. You're described for all things very simple and very smart.
والله take care. No.
والله
I hope.
ده honest review والله بجد ده
Yes, I
بجد
know. Thank you.
ده honest review from my heart والله. You get attention for all the session.
That's great. Thank you so much, Isay, for this. And I can just like clap, and maybe I'm going to clap for you. And we have a clap here. Send with effect. Wait.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
يلا سلام.